Hey everybody, this video is from some sailing trips I've done with my friend Neil aboard his 473 Beneteau named Kanaloa. The first set you're going to see here is shooting out of Charlotte Harbor in 2009, going down to the Dry Tortugas, and then from the Dry Tortugas over to the Keys. Sit back and enjoy. Neil and I have done a number of trips down to the Keys and Dry Tortugas. These videos are from the very last one we did in 2009. Hopefully someday we'll be able to make another trip.
Well, here we are again. Rob's dragging some beast out of the depths. Oh my god, it's a kraken! No, it's a tuna, I think. No, don't let him out. Don't let him go underneath the boat, Rob. Bring him up on the boat. Man, no more shark trip. Those suck. 140 feet of water. About 60 miles out of Tortugas. We said 2 hours ago.
These last few clips you're going to see here are from the fall of 2016. My worker Courtney and I had just finished up a detail and redoing the teak on Kanaloa for Neil when he came back into town, and we decided to take her out for a last sail. Shortly after this, Neil took Kanaloa to Tampa to put her up for sale up there. Got a lot of good memories sailing aboard Kanaloa with Neil, locally and down to the Keys and the Dry Tortugas over a number of trips. She was a pleasure to sail on. She's brought us through a lot of fun times, heavy seas, heavy winds, to no winds, flat seas, and rain. Oh, and one time without an auto helm, all the way to the Dry Tortugas. That was a fun trip. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of the clip. We'll see you soon. Fair winds and lots of rum.